Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to cook this kind of samosas. So stick around, I'll be showing you step by step. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and for all of you watching, like the video, please let's engage. So you will be seeing the ingredients used as we go by: wheat flour, salt, cooking oil, warm water, and then there is minced meat. What else? Minced meat, coriander, and hoho. So here you can, as you can see, I'm trying to make the dough. I've mixed the wheat flour with salt, and then remember at this point you don't add cooking oil. It's just warm water, salt, and wheat flour, and then you make your dough. You make your dough smoothly until it's that soft. And then for the dough, you leave it for like how many minutes? Around 15 minutes. Yeah, around 15 minutes is okay. And then, like I've said initially, we'll be using some ingredients: some hoho, coriander, that's dhania, and then of course we will have our minced meat, which is the main thing. Onions, of course. How did I forget that? And then in a sufuria, put your minced meat. Remember to add salt, some water, not too much because you want all the water drained. So some water until it covers the mincemeat up with then start cooking. Mix so that it mixes with the salt. Mixy, uiache ive like that until it has dried. You can add some cooking oil so that it can continue cooking for a while. And then once all the water is drained, mix all the ingredients. You have your hoho, the minced meat, mix also with the coriander. In short, mix everything. Mix everything in a bowl, including the onions. Hey, onions, you have to use a lot of onions. For my case, I used 4 onions, medium size. So onions are key, my friends. Add, put in some onions, and then now mix your mixed minced meat harikai hivo. This is ready to be used. Add in some salt, please. Hatutaki minced meat yetu ikuwe tasteless. Keep biting your samosas. Okay, back to the dough. The dough is ready. Now make some balls, small rounded balls, small rounded balls. Hivyo venye natengeneza, so unaona venye nazifinya finya alafu nazitandaza nazieka hapo hivyo. It's not so hard. It's not very hard. Hivyo tu nazininio na mkono. You make them round with your hands, and then just make the balls at once so that you don't have to come back and make it while making your samosas. That's tiresome. So me, I'll just prefer you make all the balls and then now start rolling. But for the purposes of this video, I had to stop there so that I show you how to roll. So you roll the balls slightly, not the size of the chapati. Tuseme half of the size of the chapati, isikuwe kubwa sana hivyo. Kama mara mbili tu, mara nne hivi iko sawa. And then eka kando hivyo. So we'll be dealing in layers of 3. So unaona venye nimetengeneza, naeka kando, naroundisha, I roll, then I put aside, I roll, I put aside. Hivyo tu pole pole. Hey. Now, by the way, making samosa has so many steps, so you need to be prepared psychologically before you dive in. It's work. It's work, but it's normally worth it. Mi watu wangu wanapenda samosa, so nikiamua kuwapikia, I just need to prepare psychologically because I know it's a lot. Yeah, so you roll. For me, I prefer just doing everything at once. So nime roll mingi mingi. Then you have your oil. Tandaza hapo kwa uto to rolled things. Apply oil on the rolled balls like that. At least have layers of 3 3 is good for me. It's simpler kutoanisha and it's also simpler, at least inaivana vizuri. Like on the pan, it's easy for it to, get heated. And like 4 layers. 4 layers is also good, but for me, it's just my preference. I like 3 layers. Yeah, so like that. So remember, it's the roll, apply oil, another layer, apply oil, another layer. And then you now roll the layers at once. Hizo nini tatu zote umeziweka pamoja, you roll them. You roll them now into the size of chapati. Remember the other time we're not rolling that big, but saizi tuna roll hivyo kubwa kubwa. Size ya chap. So hivyo unaziroll. Natural. Remember to apply some wheat flour on the surface so that when you're rolling, it doesn't stick. The thing you're rolling doesn't stick on the surface. Alafu ikuwe ngumu kutoa kwa pan. So ukishamaliza eka kwa pan. Hivyo unazibeba zikikuwa hivyo tatu as a packet. Na wekelea kwa pan. Moto ikuwe kidogo. The heat should be moderate. So one side is imeiva, una turn it. Don't overcook it like a chapati, please. We are trying to make samosas, yeah? Just allow it to cook for a while, cook slightly, and then once it has cooked like that, you remove. Then I'll put another one like that. Mpaka zikuwe juu. You wouldn't want urudie the same thing over and over again. I don't know if I'm making sense, but you repeat the process mpaka ukuwe na 2 chapels mingi kwa kutengeneza chapati. Hii tunaitanga manda in Kiswahili. And then in a small bowl, we need to make some glue for making the samosas. So put in water and some salt. Ready to go. Now heat the chapati, some of the things that are heated. So we cut the mandas like that into 4 pieces, and then using the glue, try and make the samosas. And then we already have our mixture, so unaekelea hapo ndani, and then unaingisha hivyo vizuri. You ensure it's tight enough. Then with the glue, apply it on all corners. Yes, hivyo. You ensure that you don't leave big gaps. Unaona, nika zoom camera hadi uweze kuona vizuri. For you to be able to see properly what I'm doing. In fact, I'm not even showing my face. I just wanted you to understand this process step by step. So until here, I hope we are learning. I hope Mommies is helping you. Yeah, we need to know how to make these things. That is what we do at Mommy's Circle. We teach you some basic recipes. Wana tuto samosas. In a pan, wekelea mafuta. Wekelea mafuta when it's hot. You samosas. ever something, wow, I just fell in love with this video. It took me a lot of time to make it, anything to venye samosa zinaita very sweet and wow, if you like this video, please don't forget to engage, subscribe,